Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to change the language inside Nokia 63310 model TA-1400. These are the languages available right now inside the phone. In order to flash it with different firmware, I'm going to use FuriousGold box and SPD service tool from pack 2 of FuriousGold. So let's start by choosing a firmware which we got from the support area. I'm going to pick one with Romanian. So let's try this one. Now let's power off the phone. Once the phone is off, I'm going to press connect on the software and attach it to the USB with the right soft key button pressed on the keyboard. So let's do this. So let's press right soft key on the phone and insert the USB cable. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the flashing process starts. Now what we need to do is to wait a little. Now let's sit and wait. Okay, so the flashing process ended. The phone should power on now. So as you can see, we have here the new languages from the Flash we just wrote. So let's pick Romanian. So as you can see, everything is okay. Let's check the numbers. Also serial numbers are okay. So thanks again for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.